Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Focal 165WXP 6.5 two-way passive component kit. Product link is in the description below. This premium car audio kit is designed for enthusiasts and professionals who want high-fidelity sound, precise detail, and powerful performance in one package. The design is sleek and refined, featuring Focal's signature craftsmanship with composite cones and robust build quality. The 6.5-inch woofers are engineered for dynamic low-frequency reproduction, while the separate tweeters deliver crisp highs with accuracy. The passive crossovers ensure seamless integration between drivers, creating a balanced and natural soundstage. Focal engineered this kit to combine elegance with technical excellence, making it suitable for audiophiles and custom installers alike. Performance is where the 165WXP shines. With advanced materials and design, the woofers produce tight, controlled bass that enhances music across genres. The tweeters provide sparkling clarity, ensuring vocals and instruments are reproduced with precision. The passive crossovers optimize frequency distribution, minimizing distortion and maximizing efficiency. Together, the system delivers immersive audio that rivals professional studio monitors, transforming car interiors into high-end listening environments. Connectivity and usability are highlights. The kit integrates seamlessly into aftermarket or custom car audio systems, offering flexibility for installers. The passive design ensures compatibility with a wide range of amplifiers, while the included crossovers simplify setup. Installation is straightforward for professionals, with components designed for durability and long-term reliability. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with premium materials, the 165WXP is engineered for long-term performance under demanding conditions. The robust construction ensures consistent sound quality, while the elegant design adds sophistication to any installation. Its combination of precision, power, and reliability makes it a dependable solution for car audio upgrades. Use cases are broad. For audiophiles, it delivers studio-quality sound in vehicles. For professionals, it provides reliable components for custom installations. For everyday drivers, it transforms commutes into immersive listening experiences. For enthusiasts, it offers a high-performance upgrade that showcases Focal's expertise. In summary, the Focal 165WXP 6.5 two-way passive component kit combines precision engineering, powerful performance, and premium design in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.